this one here.
Okay, you're in it.
Good girl. A good little filmer. I got that one. See this?
Yep.
I got a feel for it. It's intuitive. I kind of saw it protruding out of the dirt. Yeah. I wonder if there's some in all these pots too.
I don't see any.
Yeah, we'll just keep digging until we find them. All right, and yeah, go like this. See if you can get them. You getting it?
Almost.
Got
Got it. Whoa, there's another?
Yeah? Oh yeah, grab that
When
one.
I pulled this one out, another one.
Yeah, I think we got one right here too. Let's see.
Yeah,
Can you get that one loose? Oh, don't break it. Don't break the potato. Dig around it. Good job. Can you hold it up for me?
but that's too cold.
Okay.